Tired of paying huge fees to agents just to get a work visa? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get your European work visa on your own. No middlemen, no scams. Let's save you thousands of dollars and get you working in Europe the right way. First, choose your European destination. Each country has different visa rules. Work visa for job offers, job seeker visa to find work after arrival, or blue card for skilled workers. Always research the official government immigration website. That's your trusted source, not some random agency. Next, find jobs that sponsor visas. Use LinkedIn, Uris, and company websites directly. Search for keywords like visa sponsorship or relocation assistance. Apply directly to employers. No third-party recruiters. Track everything in a spreadsheet and follow up after 1-2 weeks. Prepare your documents. Updated European-style CV, passport valid for 6 months, educational certificates, experience letters, and language certificates if required. Scan everything as PDFs and keep them organized. This preparation will save you weeks later. Once you get a job offer, your employer should provide an employment contract and support your visa application. Ask them specifically about their visa sponsorship process. Get all supporting documents from your employer. They need to prove they couldn't find a local candidate for many visa types. Here's the crucial part. Submit your visa application directly to the embassy or visa center. Book appointments through official websites only. Submit documents in person, complete biometrics if required, and pay official fees directly. Always get a receipt. Processing takes 2 weeks to 3 months. Once approved, you've saved thousands and avoided scams. After arrival, register with local authorities and get your residence permit. Doing it yourself may seem challenging, but it saves thousands of dollars and protects you from fraud. Remember, trust only official government websites, never pay upfront fees to agents, and be patient and organized. Comment below for country-specific guides, check the description for official embassy links, and subscribe for more real no-agent job tips. You've got this.